Hi guys, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my fall home tour of my dining room. I first just wanted to start out showing you my new rug by the back door here. It's a black and white buffalo check from Kirkland's, but I noticed that Hobby Lobby also had a very similar one this year in their fall area. So loving that. I'm just loving the black and white checked things, whether it be the gingham check or the buffalo check. Just loving it right now. It's so anyways, my cutie patoonie's laying on my new rug, and she's not really liking that collar. She's chewing on the little Halloween collar that she's got on right now. You're not liking that, baby? You don't like it? Mama gonna have to take it off, huh? Yeah. She's so sweet. She's so precious. Okay, so that's new. And the other thing that you might recognize being new in my dining room is this table and chairs. I mentioned in a previous video that we were selling a lot of things, getting rid of stuff and cleaning out before we move. We've put our home for sale. So we just ended up, after we sold the table and chairs, we ended up moving this table out from my hobby room area out to the dining room so we could have something to sit at. And then I needed more chairs, so these were from Ross, really inexpensive. And then the galvanized metal chairs here, the silver ones are from the bench, and the chair are from TJ Maxx. And I have a matching bench and chair on the other side. And this is a table that my parents made for us years ago, so of course I will not be getting rid of that or selling that, so I just thought we could just move it out here for the meantime and use it. So that's different. And I'm going to be just pointing out a few things to you guys, and then I will let you enjoy this home tour just to music without me yakking on and on about stuff. But you'll probably notice my thankful and grateful little pumpkins that I've added up there, and also my little boy's boots that he grew out of, his black little mud rain boots are up there that I've added new. And let's see, I've just added some pumpkins over there. And I've added some pumpkins inside of my cupboard here as well in some different areas. So I'll point that out to you. You'll probably notice too, as I come over here and show you the mantle, that these are new. These are from, I found these at Walmart later after I did my haul video of Walmart. And I was actually wanting a 3-tiered pumpkin for up there, so I was so excited when I found those. And then I just ended up moving the other ones that I had on my mantle in other places throughout my home, and I believe one ended up here. So and then the other thing that's I added to this little banner here is this black and white gingham checked ribbon. I just tied it on in a knot and added that. This you'll probably recognize from my DIY sign that I did in a recent video. So and the black truck, if you're wondering where that is from Hobby Lobby when they had their major 80-90% off sale. I picked that up, and I put some pumpkins in the back of the truck. But I was so excited to find that and to find such great sales when they did their 80-90% off. That was awesome. I had never been to Hobby Lobby before where they had that major of a sale, so that was fun to go to that. The other thing I want to point out is what I have on my table, just because I did not share these things in a haul video. So I found these after I did my Target fall haul video, and these were in the Target dollar spot, and they came in a pack of 2, and they did have gold stems, but I took a Sharpie, silver Sharpie marker, paint marker to them, and just to match my silver galvanized charger plates here. So these are from Target Dollar Spot, these are from the Dollar Tree, and these are from Big Lots at the end of summer. They had like 70% off on those. And these charger plates were on sale at Hobby Lobby when I bought them. And I got these at Kirkland's that match the charger. And I got these little thankful and blessed and grateful little tags from Hobby Lobby this year. And the napkin is from the Magnolia Target spot area. And these as well are from the Magnolia line at Target. So I've got the checked and the striped. I just did every other one for my table setting. And then I'm gonna try to go around slowly so I don't make you guys dizzy. I'll show you something else that's new that I have not shared yet in a whole video. This is new, this little moo cow with the white and black checking on it. That's from Hobby Lobby. I love the black and white enamelware that they have there at Hobby Lobby, and as well as this little Harvest Blessing sign is from Hobby Lobby, which I believe I did share that in my haul video this year. And then the Thankful is also from Hobby Lobby. And just that little pumpkin up there. I added in little pumpkins here and there in my cupboard. I have another one here, another one up there. And then this cute little Hello Fall sign's also from Hobby Lobby this year. And then there's a little Target Dollar Spot pumpkin inside there. Welcome to the farm sign. And then I have another little pumpkin up here. Sorry, there's a glare on the glass, guys. Another little pumpkin in there. My Gather Together pumpkin enamelware sign is from Hobby Lobby. And then another little checked pumpkin up here from Hobby Lobby. And the little piggy that matches my cow one is also from Hobby Lobby. And I got the pig one and the cow one 40% off at Hobby Lobby. I added just a little pumpkin down here, a little burlap pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and another little pumpkin over here from the Target Dollar Spot. They came in these little white pumpkins came in a bag. And I believe I got those after I did my Target haul as well. So those are new too. I don't think I've shared those with you yet. And this one as well came in that bag of like 5 or 6 little white pumpkins at the Target Dollar Spot. And I added my little caramel apple there for fall.